Hey Fragrance fam, it's Beth here with Aromatic Fragrances International, and I wanted to give y'all a quick demonstration of our new in-house Luxe Diffuser Base. It only takes a minute to make your own Reed diffusers with 2 ingredients you can get in just one trip to our web store, afi-usa.com. Our Luxe Diffuser Base is Prop 65 and VOC free, meaning you can be confident you're using quality ingredients in your Reed diffusers. Pair it with one of thousands of AFI fragrances to create a diffuser that smells beautiful and consistently scents your space over time. I picked out our version of Eucalyptus and Spearmint by Bath & Body Works for my diffusers, and I selected some gorgeous green bottles to match. We recommend a 25% fragrance usage rate with our base for stable, clog-free diffusing, but feel free to adjust this based on your desired scent strength. We've achieved good results with usage rates of up to 33%, but you really don't need that much unless you're using a particularly delicate fragrance. Stir the fragrance and base together in a glass mixing beaker and fill your bottles using a funnel to prevent spills. If you're getting ready to place these on store shelves or ship them out, seal them tightly with a stopper to keep the fragrance from leaking out or evaporating over time. When you or your customers are ready to use their diffuser, place about 5 reeds for every 8 ounces of liquid you used into the bottle. You can use natural rattan or synthetic reeds. Lately, we've loved fiber reeds because they come in a wide range of colors and resist clogging. If you're interested in trying out our Luxe Diffuser Base, give us a call and we can work with you to find out how much you'll need and what our top selling diffuser fragrances are. Leave us any questions you might have in the comment section down below or connect with us on any of our socials. Stay tuned to see more of our in-house bases and wax in action, along with more AFI updates and $1,000 giveaway competitions. Thanks for watching, Fragrance fam. Bye.